Hello everyone, so today this video is going to be a haul video slash showing you my 2 new tattoos video, which I just got done today. I'm trying to keep Lila away from them. I've just unwrapped them, cleaned them, and I'm going to wrap them up again once I've done this video. But yeah, one of them is easy to see. It's this one. It's like a lollipop jack-o'-lantern kind of dealy. And it's by Steph at Holy Ghost Tattoo Collective. If you want to go and check out her Instagram, I will put it in the down bar. Go and get tattooed by her. She's awesome, she's lovely, she's stunning, she's awesome. Wait till you see the one on my leg that she finished off today. It's incredible. I'll show you that at the end. But I have 2 boxes to open. This one, which, Lila, please don't go near my leg. This one, which is from Revolution. They had like a sale on and stuff, so I bought a couple of things, I believe. Comes in this, which is quite interesting. Lila has now left me alone, so that's good. This is awesome. I don't know what this is, but this is interesting. So, they give you enough of this. I think I literally bought like 2 or 3 items. This amount of packaging is actually insane. Okay, I bought 3 items. And this is the amount of paper. I hope I'm going to be able to open these. So I got a lipstick, which is from Revolution Pro, which I'm just going to throw on the floor. Excuse me. I'm trying to pull it back. So yeah, this is from Revolution Pro. This is called Bad Vibes. It's a Pro Supreme Matte Pigment, if I can speak. So this one is a black gloss. Ooh, it's actually quite opaque. More opaque than I was expecting. That's the colour. So I like that a lot. Just making sure the camera's still recording. Then I got a pro liner in Vamp Noir. I don't recall ordering this. I'm pretty sure I didn't order this in this colour at least. I'm not going to open this because I don't know. Maybe I did order this. Is it a black lip liner? It might actually be the black lip liner. It is. I'm just an idiot. Jesus. Ignore me. I'm a fucking moron. I can't get in this with my new nails. I suck at everything now that I've got, like, acrylic nails. I literally cannot do anything. Okay, so. Oh, it's not the colour I thought it was. I thought that it was a black liner, but it's not. It's kind of a dark burgundy kind of colour. Still nice, but it's not the colour I thought it was. And then I got this from the Halloween collection because I saw it and was like, yep, oh my god, it's actually squishy. This is called I See You Illuminating Highlighter. So this is actually insane. That's not what I was expecting the packaging to be like. It's like a stress ball. So yeah, as you can see, it's like a big old stress ball-y kind of thing. But that is the colour, and look at how pretty that is. That is such a nice colour. You're probably not going to be able to see it that well on the camera, but that is a gorgeous highlight colour, and because I'm pale, that is going to not be too much. And this packaging is actually awesome. I think, yeah, it's just called I See You. So we got that. Moving on to our next box, which is quite interesting because this is the pink parcel, and they have changed the packaging finally. They've been saying for a while that they were going to change the packaging, but they never did. But this is the first one where they actually have. So, okay, so we got booklets, and we have For Now, we have Needs and Wants. So these are your pads, etc. It's a box for your monthly needs. And this once box is actually very, very heavy. So let's have a look at what we've got in here. Lots of twiddlies, which I'm going to put down here. Oh, I just poked my tattoo. That's not good. We're still good. So, in here, we have got a chocolate wrapped marshmallow, which is quite nice, by Baru. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I ain't sure. Oh, there's lots of goodies in here today. We have Liquid Beam by Laritizzi. And this is in the colour Quartz. I'm just ripping the packaging open because nails, and I can't do it any other way. I genuinely feel like completely hopeless. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look at that colour. That is like all kinds of gorgeous. Let's swatch it. Liquid Beam. So I don't know if this is like highlighter or eyeshadow, sorry, or like lip gloss or what, but that's really nice. It's the bottom shade. I love that, that's really nice. Then we have an eyeshadow contour set by Cougar. Again, where's my scissors? Let's get into this. I did it. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're in. And then, ooh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. So this is what it looks like. It is like one of the baked things. I'm so descriptive. Why do you people watch me? It's a question I've been asking for years. But there's a swatch of the colours. They're quite nice. So yeah, that was just a quick swipe of all of the colours. What else have we got in here? We have got Off Black Generation Tea Sleep Breezy Chamomile and Peach Flavour Herbal Tea, which is nice. We have also got, what is this? It's a deep conditioner, Pinot Noir inspired repair and moisturize deep conditioner, infused with wine. Okay, I'll take it. Infused with wine, fair enough. And then there's one thing left in the box, and this is by Miss Patissier. I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not 100% sure. And this looks like a bath bomb in like the cutest little box. Oh, it's like a little tiny, oh, it's rose though. I don't like rose scented stuff, but this itself is actually really nice. Let's see if there was different ones that you could have got. Oh, this is I thought that this was like a little thing telling us what was in the box. It's either they forgot to print on it or it's just like a colouring thing. Yeah, there's not a list of what's actually in the box, but there we go. That's my little haul video / tattoo showing video. I'm now gonna attempt to show you my leg. Just a warning, it is very, very swollen still and quite red and not settled down totally. I have literally just got home from getting this done, but oh my god, it looks so good. So yeah, I'm gonna try and show you now. Eek. Okay, here we are. Okay, eek. Here we go. There it is. I cannot tell if you can see it or not, but Lila, please don't go near it. It is very, very angry at the moment. So yeah, once it is sorted out, I will definitely post photos and stuff on my Instagram. So yeah, that's it. I am now gonna go and wrap this tattoo and this tattoo up. And yeah, I will see you all again very, very soon. Adios!